Hello everyone, I am Soumya Verma, currently studying at University of Delhi. I have taken a pledge to serve people for 30 days to fight against COVID-19 through Corona the Compassion. Today I am going to tell you that how you can protect yourself and others too using an app Arogya Setu. Arogya Setu app is launched by Government of India on 2nd April 2020. It makes the people aware and also suggest several measures that should be taken during this epidemic. It is a very good app as it contains several features that helps the user to get protected, such as number 1, it informs the user by sending him a notification on an alert whenever if he had undergone or had came into contact with any infected person. Second, it contains several features such as e-passes and important helpline numbers, which makes it very useful. Thirdly, and the most important, is that it contains self-assessment tests through which the user have to go through a test, and by reviewing your answers that you have answered, it tells you that whether you are at a higher risk of this infection or at a lower risk. Fourthly, it also suggests several measures that should be undertaken during this epidemic. For your convenience, I have made a detailed video on how to download Arogya Setu app and how it actually works, so you can see. Hello everyone, today I will tell you how to download Arogya Setu app and how it works. I have already downloaded this app, and if you want to download it, then you can go directly on Play Store and can download from here. And you can see that more than 5 crore people have already downloaded it. So if we open this app, you can see the interface like this. So reading all the information mentioned, you can go to next. Before going to next, you can switch to the languages that is favorable to you. Means if you are comfortable in Hindi, you can change this in Hindi, otherwise English. So I'm going next. Yes, it states that in order that this app works well, your Bluetooth should be switched on and your location should also switched on. And invite your friends and family to install this app too. Yes, this is very important that you should recommend this app to more and more people. You will be alerted if someone you have come in close proximity of even unknowingly test COVID-19 positive. So reading all this, you can go to next. And yes, Arogya Setu can protect yourself and family and friends and help our country in the effort to fight COVID-19. So in order to use this app, you have to register. So yes, your device location should be on, Bluetooth should be on, and the data should also work. So by agreeing all these prerequisites, you can click OK. Arogya Setu, yes, allow it, and you can see that your location and Bluetooth will automatically switched on. So enter your mobile number. On submit, you will require to write an OTP and see I got registered. So yes, here you will asked some of the questions that you have to answer, and it is very important that you answer all the questions correctly. So what is your gender, your full name, your age, your profession. See, if you are any one of these, you can mention this, but if nothing is mentioned, you can directly click on none of the above. Countries travel outside in 30 days. See, it is mentioned that if you had visited in any countries, so you can click on any of these if visited, and if not, then click on none. Then we will, yes, ready to volunteer in the time of need. Yes, it is, yes, as we are also working in this, and if anyone wants you, you can help them. So you just click on yes. Confirm submission, yes. Are you feeling well? Yeah, from here the information will start, which will determine that whether you are infected or about to infect or something like that. So it is very important to fill all the information correctly. Take 20-second self assessment test. Yes. See, here it is also mentioned that please give correct answers. Okay, got it. Yeah, it is mentioned, are you experiencing any of the following symptoms? Like, if you are feeling, then click on that, otherwise none of the above. Have you ever had any of the following: diabetes, lung disease, hypertension, heart disease? I don't have any of the following, so I'm clicking on none of the above. Have you traveled anywhere? No. Which of the following apply to you? I have recently interacted or lived with someone who had tested. No. I am a healthcare worker, and none of the above. See, it is totally depends upon you. I am clicking on the options that are favorable to me. So please, okay. So if we've see, as we came back, this is the area where we will get the notification that we are safe or not. So it is stating you are safe. So this actually basically it is, we have given our data so that it can be used for the betterment of everyone. So we will discuss all the features one by one. It states your status. Our status is that we are safe. Then you can get all the COVID updates, and yes, it is very authentic and correct. Rather than going to all other platform websites or any news channel, you can go through these, as these are authentic and correct. Yes. You can also see or watch the information regarding the e-pass. If we go back, sorry, if these are some of the call helpline numbers which can help you. So yes, this is 102. Why it is showing 1075? Because I have mentioned my phone number, and according to that it has tracked the locality where I am living. So it is showing the helpline number according to my locality. Then if we go down, so this is the PM Cares donation. So we are done with all the options available here, and all of you are wondering that how it works and how it let us know that whether we are safe or not. So it is very interesting to know that it will work only if your Bluetooth location and mobile data is on every time, and more people have installed it. We can understand that how it works with a very real life example. That suppose a person is infected with COVID-19, he will go to the hospital and submit his details such as place where he lives, etc. This data of the infected person will get issued on this application, and if in future you come across that person or will move to that place, you will get a notification how to keep yourself safe and whether you need to be quarantined or not. And let's suppose if he did not let anyone to know that he is infected, and he had not even installed the app, then you will get no notification at all. So it is very important that maximum number of people installed this app, so that authentic and correct information can reach to everyone, and we will stay away and keep ourselves safe from the spread of COVID-19. I hope I am able to make you understand the about regarding this app and how it is useful for us. So please recommend to this to more and more people. Thank you. So, as you have seen the importance of this app and how it is a very essential tool in the battle of COVID-19, but it will not work until and unless more and more people download it and install it. In several countries such as China, Singapore, and South Korea, people have already used it and it had showed a good success rate. For example, China had a WeChat application and South Korea had Together Trace application, and these type of smartphone application have showed a good success. In India also, the government had made it mandatory in the public as well as government sectors to use and install this app. So at last, I would like to request you, please install it and use it, and also recommend others for the same, so that we can together help each other to fight against COVID-19. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.